So, I recently reported a story about how there are thousands of people in North Texas who are having their voter registrations challenged. And a lot of these people are already in suspense. I realized that a lot of people who are in suspense, they have no idea that they're a suspended voter. So, I thought, let me check my own voter registration just to see. And it turns out I am a suspended voter myself. And I'm remembering now that I got a mailer from my county elections office in the mail. I looked at it. I thought, that looks important. I need to respond. And I put it in what you see here, which is my mail pile of shame. Here we go. Dallas County Elections Department. I think we gotta go to the County Elections Department and see what they have to say about that. And basically what being in suspense means is that the county elections office where you live, they weren't able to confirm your address. All right, so I've got this handy dandy form that I'm just gonna fill out. So you're not off the voter roll yet. They're continuing to reach out, but it has started the process to where you could eventually get kicked off the voter roll if you don't respond within 2 federal election cycles, which is about 4 years. So is there anything else that you need from me?
No, once we, this is your confirmation stating that you're still at this address, so once we process the voter registration, we'll process the information, so they're just gonna go in, put you back in active status, verify that this address will be open until 10 o'clock, I believe, on October 7th. So we'll be here until 10 to give individuals a chance to register themselves so they can be able to vote.
Thank you.
Thank you. We'll get it processed.